When you receive this machine, put 2 rows of lighters in the tray, next to the baffle. Then keep the conveyor belt free of lighters. Insert more than 2 discs and start the device. You will see the lighters being pushed onto the conveyor belt. Pause the device. Take the lighters out from here. And put them into the corresponding conveyor belt. Then start the machine. When all lighters are on the front conveyor belt, then pause the device, which is behind the first push rod. When you want to start the labeling process, look at the engineer's operation on the screen. Click the button to turn green and start. This is to adjust the height of labeling.